First of all, I welcome you all in this new era spoken classes. Today I want to tell you about stage fear. You know that कि कभी कभी आप लोग जब कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं उस समय आपको डर लगता है. At that time you will fear. So that is a big issue. And I can say that in my point of view, मेरे हिसाब से अगर आप बोलना चाहते हैं स्टेज पर और उस समय आपको लगता है कि मैं नहीं बोल सकता, if you think that I can't speak, then you cannot speak. But if you have a great determination that I will speak anyhow, no one can defeat me, no one can demoralize me, no one can encourage me, no one can feel me not will, I will speak at any rate. Then what will happen? Then I can say that at that time you will be able to speak and you will definitely speak. That is a point, that is a big point. मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि अगर आप मंच में बोलना चाहते हैं, आपके अंदर लज्जा है, शर्म है, तो भी नहीं बोल सकते. If you have shyness, you want to speak on this stage, at that time what will happen? You are unable to speak, you can't speak because you are feeling shyness. So remove your shyness from you, within you. If you feel that I will speak, but what will people say, what will audience say, then what will happen? You will not speak, you will not be able to speak. And in my point of view, I can say that I can say that you cannot speak. So today I want to tell you that how can you speak. In my point of view, मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि अगर आप ये सोचते हैं कि मैं स्टेज पे जाऊँगा और बोलूँगा विदाउट प्रिपरेशन, तो that is not going to happen. वो होने वाला नहीं है. So what is the real thing which will help you to speak? That is, feel that I will speak, but I will work hard. After working hard, I will try my best. Then what will happen? I can say that you will be able to speak. You feel fear, you feel scared. Why? Because this kind of thoughts is running inside you. This kind of thought is running in your head. That is a big issue, and I can say that because of that reason, you cannot speak anything on the stage. Okay, so today my point is this, that if you have confidence, that is also a big matter. मेरे हिसाब से कॉन्फिडेंस भी बड़ा मायने रखता है. अगर आपके अंदर विश्वास है, अगर आप सोचते हैं कि if you think that I will speak, nobody can feel me negative, nobody can help me, but I will speak, I will work on it, then what will happen? You will be able to speak and you can speak. अगर आप सोचते हैं कि मैं बोलूँगा, किसी भी तरह से मैं बोलूँगा, अगर आपके अंदर ये डिटर्मिनेशन आ गया, तो definitely you will speak. निश्चित रूप से आप बोलोगे. Another thing is that कि अगर आप ये सोचते हैं कि हम बिना किसी प्रयास के हम बोलना शुरू कर देंगे और बोलने लगेंगे, बिना प्रैक्टिस के बोलने लगेंगे, then that is also a big point for you. If you think that without attempt, without try, I will speak anyhow confidently, within a day I will speak confidently, but I can say in my point of view, that is also not going to happen. So my next point is, अगर आप सोचते हैं कि मैं अंग्रेजी बोल सकता हूँ और हमारे अंदर कोई डर नहीं है और हम अंग्रेजी किसी भी तरह से बोल सकते हैं, मेरे अंदर कोई डर नहीं है, अगर आप पब्लिक के सामने कभी बोले नहीं हैं और आपके अंदर ऐसा सोच आ गया कि मैं बोलूँगा, if you think that I will speak but you don't have practice it is any time on the stage to speak, then what will happen? You cannot speak at that time. Why? Because you have not practiced it. You have not practiced it. That's why you cannot speak. That is also a big reason. In today's class, I will try to tell you about that is all about today's class, and I can say that अगर आपको हमारे वीडियो के बारे में जानना है कि वीडियो में क्या पढ़ाया जा रहा है, क्या बताया जा रहा है, तो इस जानकारी के लिए आपको हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा और हमारा उत्साह बढ़ाने के लिए आप लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर करना ना भूलें. दैट्स ऑल. थैंक यू.